The freedom bird descends to peerless heights, above the mountains, across the fountains, hovering above the unknown paths, above the worldly wraths, into space uncharted, where clouds reign unthwarted, with static motion, above the ocean. In an easy glide, defying time, it feels its freedom sublime, and knows of its delight, the feeling so right. Unhurried but graceful, in a height so spaceful, with desired distinction, graced perfection, a pure urge, the freedom surge, urges the bird to fly, not a thought but feeling true, not for a moment, for eternity, to feel this feeling, an expression of love, and the heart filled with delight and thankfulness. The tears roll down, not born of sorrow, but keen delight. No care for destination, the beating heart with a message, only for you, wind whispers, confirming the feeling. Sun shines high above as it cheers on. Soar, freedom bird, soar. Feel it. The sky is yours. Stretch, little bird, stretch. Stretch those lovely wings. Even the Father of Time has paused his hand as it looks upon you with an infinite smile. Gone is the cage, gone is the rage, gone are confines. No matter what you heard again and again, someone trying to ease your pain, you knew, so did your heart. All you ever felt was the freedom thought. Consoled by many to accept the cage from which you could be admired, but for you the feeling held true. For true freedom your heart desired. Nothing could contain your feeling. In freedom was your healing. You could not be held, for you knew too well the desire that your heart desired. No golden cages, long story pages, treasures of past ages. Nothing, nothing at all outweighed told heart cages. For once felt so deep, the feeling rages so steep. To feel again the time stop, the wonderful freedom about. Nothing can convince the heart as it beats within and pounds ever louder to be